Hello everyone, my name is Satvik and welcome back to another Python programming video. So today in this video we are going to discuss some important properties and methods of string. In the last video we have discussed the indexing and slicing in strings. If you haven't watched that video, the link is in the description. You should watch that video before watching this video because we are going to apply some concepts of indexing and slicing. So the first property that we are going to discuss in strings is the immutability, which means that we can't change once a string is assigned. For example, we have a string s is equal to I love Python. So this is a string. If we want to change I with s, how we are going to do is, for example, we are going to do is s. We want to change the index number 0 with the string v, but this is not the correct way of doing it because strings has the property of immutability. Once it is assigned, you cannot assign it again, so it is going to give us error. Now the question arises, how we are going to change I with v. So for example, we have a string s. The output of s is I love Python. Now I want to change I with v. So how we are going to do is, now we will assign as last. We will also make another variable last. In this variable we are going to assign s. Now we want to start from the index number 1 and we want output at till the last. Now what is the output of last? The output of last is space love Python. Now we will make another variable as whole and we will add this string called v, and we will add this string in the last. And now what is the output of whole? The output of whole is v love Python. So this is called string concatenation. This is one of the property of strings. So we can concatenate strings, and this symbol means concatenation. This is a concatenation symbol. This plus symbol is a concatenation symbol. So here so this is the method by which we can concatenate two strings. Also we can multiply the string. For example, if we want v love Python 3 times, how we are going to do is, so we want whole multiplied by 3. So you're getting v love Python, v love Python and v love Python 3 times. Also, for example, we can directly concatenate two strings. For example, we have the string v and we can directly concatenate two strings as, first we will add space and after that we can write love Python. So now we are getting v love Python. So this is one of the method. The next method which we are going to discuss is the upper method. So upper method, what upper method do? Upper method capitalize all the letters in the string. For example, we have whole dot upper. So this is going to print v love Python in the capital letters. Similarly, we have another method which is called as the lower method. It prints all the characters of string in lower order. We have another method which is called split. Splits just gives us the list as the output. For example, we have whole dot split. We are getting v, love and Python as a list. We are getting an ordered sequence of characters. So now if we want to split only one characters, for example, if we want to split o in this, how we are going to do is whole dot split, and but we want to split o. So now we are getting v and l, and after l o comes and it splits into another character, and after that o is splitted in this whole string. So this was all for today's video. If you like this video, then please share this video with other students. Also subscribe to my channel for the latest updates. Thank you very much.